Today is the big day. I know my teeth look extra big because I've got my retainers in. Tonight is the big launch of the Grand. Okay, my teeth are really big. I'm gonna take this out. That's better. I'm gonna take you to get ready with me later on when I go visit my makeup artist, Lady D. You'll get to meet her and see her beautiful work on my face. Stay tuned tonight at 7 Eastern. The Grand. Oh, I can't wait. If you haven't done it yet, make sure you go on to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Oh, you can't see me. Okay. Oh, that's too bright. That's better. Just go and subscribe to YouTube at Sugar Pearls. I'm going to give you the code tonight to use after 8 p.m. And you're going to get to taste and see the Grand. I'll see you at 7 Eastern on Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen live.